Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out. 2027 Grand Design TRANSCEND 26 BHX. So, judging by the nomenclature, it's a bunkhouse. And very, very nice. Whoopsie, wanted to show you that table. Very nice bunkhouse, plenty of room inside. I do want to show you the outdoor kitchen here. We have a single JBL speaker, spare tire, and here's your outdoor kitchen. So we have a single burner cooktop, shelf, plug in so you can plug in additional items, and a dormitory style and size refrigerator. And we'll get inside. Tandem axle. There's the 26 BHX badging, and as you step up inside, very nice and bright inside. So we have a 3-burner cooktop, microwave oven, and it is a convection oven, so you can bake in the microwave as well. We also have the pet station here, and we have the freezer on the bottom. And then the French door refrigerator on top. I do want to show you this area. This is not a pet area. As you saw, the pet was over there, but we have additional storage, 2 cubbies, 3 drawers. We have your dining area. This does drop down, so you can sleep 2 people here, 2 kids here. You also have your flat screen TV, HVAC. When I turn over here, you could put 1, maybe 2 small kids. So you could probably put 2 small kids here, 2 small kids here, 2 small, 2 small. So that makes 8 plus mom and dad. So you could sleep anywhere from up to 10 in this bunkhouse. You have your curtain for privacy. You have your LED lighting, USB plug-in here, residential style. Additional storage underneath the lower bunk, very nice. Your thermostat, and that does flip down, and we have 2 drawers underneath it. As far as the bathroom is concerned, you have a corner cabinet, corner vanity, corner cabinet below, your commode, as well as a nice size shower and 4 cubbies to the left of that. Your hooks, your drunken sailors to hang things up. Farmer's sink. You have cabinets below, cabinets above. I do want to show you this. So you have your garbage right there, and then you can put, your garbage bags here, that sort of thing. Very nice setup. And we'll slide into the bedroom. So we're pre-wired, and we have our TV backer location there. We have cubby, cabinet, cubby, cabinet. Behind, we have residential, and we have USB plugins there as well. I do want to show you the underbed storage. And so you have plenty of storage, as you can see here underneath the bed, and I'll drop that down with a bang. So this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used service and parts. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.